Welcome to our YouTube channel, Meet Eco Champions.
Hello everyone, welcome to Moya Wango Institute of Technology, abbreviated as MWIT. We are located at Wango Village, Karaba location. MWIT is a social enterprise. Here we not only teach professional skills, but aim to produce well-rounded youth. My name is Dr. Mokei Florence. I'm the founder and director of the institution. Welcome. Today, we are taking you for a walk through our nature trail. Accompanying me is a number of our students who are actually harvesting some of the fruit trees there. Now, the importance of the nature trail is that here we preserve all the indigenous trees along this trip. As you might know, a lot of our indigenous trees countrywide, maybe worldwide, are actually getting extinct. So it is very important for us that we impress on the youth on the importance of maintaining and preserving some of these indigenous trees. So where we are, this is our nature trail. We call it the Amarulla Nature Trail because along it we have quite a number of the marura trees from which the famous Amarulla wine is made. We also have quite a number of other trees. Let's start here. For example, this is called Dola. You can see they are already harvesting. I can tell you, even for me when we were children, whether we are going fetching water, fetching firewood, walking to school, we used to know exactly where any of the natural indigenous tree with edible fruits was. So on the way it was plucking and eating. So this one is called Dola. It's also becoming fairly extinct. So we are glad to have retained this one, and as you can see, it is now harvesting time. All right, let's move on. They are devouring that. Let's move on. This is only part of the nature trail. Backwards, it goes almost to 20 meters. And as you can see, we also have a beautiful valley in there, which is part of our nature trail. But today we shall not go through the valley. We shall just go walk along the main road. This is another tree. It's called Kelulue. It also has edible fruits. I don't think I can see any right now. It might not be fruiting. Let's walk along. As we move along, you'll be seeing butterflies moving. Aha, there they are. I mean, they're all over. The importance of this natural tree, there's so much biodiversity around. This is beautiful. You can see some of our other trees around here. All these are indigenous trees. You'll notice some burrows which we go digging around because we want to maintain the moisture around. We don't want all the water just flowing to the valley. You see, like this one, this will hold the water here. Otherwise, all the rainwater would just be rushing. You see here, all the rainwater would be gushing to the valley, which is not good. We want to maintain the moisture. You see all these trenches? We maintain the moisture. There were 4 sheep. We maintain a few sheep around just to graze around. That's why you see their paddocks. Because again, we don't want them to overgraze. So like now, this paddock should no longer be grazed. They should now be moved to another paddock. Now, as I see, can you see this? Can you see this? This is now the Amarulla. People, can you see Amarulla? The Amarulla fruits. This is maua in Kamba, in our local language. Now this is the Amarulla fruit. It is edible. It is edible. Once you peel that, you get to the flesh. You get to the flesh, you can see the liquid is already pouring. That's the sauce, that's the actual sauce of the Amarulla wine, you know? It's lovely. But remember, it's very slippery. It's easy to choke one, but it's lovely. So that's the Amarulla seed. I don't know if we can capture them up there, you know, with the camera, because they are all over now. Most of them are still green. They are green. Otherwise, this is the stem. This is the stem of the Amarulla tree. That is also, okay, that is also an Amarulla tree. We have very many. If you can zoom down there, you see the fruits. They are full in the, they are full in the valley. They're full in the valley. So we might have to start an industry here of manufacturing Amarulla wine. Who knows? Let's move on. Let's move on. You know, the silence. You only hear the birds, the fresh air. The fresh air is beautiful. The place is so serene. You can imagine. Now, this is what you experience when there are no trees. That direct sun and that direct heat, that's what we are fighting against. We have to plant trees. We need to retain such nature trails really to fight against this, because it's so different when you are in the bare heat and when you are walking leisurely under these trees. You can see that the difference is enormous. It's just incredible. And what I feel here is a breeze. You know, you'll see when there's that a breeze coming, you see the leaves start flying around. Beautiful. So you can see our nature trail is really big. Down there, the valley still continues, which is yet another cool place to just walk around in. Now that tree there, that is one of the best for carving. So we are preserving that also. It's very good for carving, I am told. You see the valley down there? Beautiful. These two, I'm told, as edible fruits. Remember also a number of these trees also are medicinal value. You see the butterflies? They are enjoying themselves. Okay. Sometimes we put water there for the birds to just come and. There's another tree, we call it kelulwe. It also has some edible fruits. You'll notice a beehive there, but that's only there temporarily. It will be moved to the apiary. You might see that green net there. There's an apiary on the other side. You see that gabion there, that structure? That is to prevent soil erosion. So with time, the speed of the water continues to decrease to try and reduce the size of the valley down there. Then here we have our beautiful rocks. Our beautiful rocks. You know, you can just come and relax. When you have time, just relax, watch the birds, feel the breeze, and just enjoy nature. So there are students relaxing on the bridge, which is along our nature trail. Our viewers, I tell you, just sitting here under the trees, the cool breeze, and relaxing is just beautiful. So thank you. I do hope that you have enjoyed our nature trail, and you're always welcome to Mwit. For now, let me hope and request that you subscribe to our channel so that you can receive our contents once we post more. Thank you.
Kwaheri, bye bye.